Good night. My name is Cindy Paola Moreno Cruz.
Good night, my name is Karin Ginette Moreno Cardoso.
Our recipe is a fruit cocktail. It's a mix of different kinds of fruits that are cut in small pieces, salpicon juice, and sugar. Ingredients: 1 mangoes,
1 mango,
3 bananas,
3 bananas,
3 apples,
3 apples, 1 papaya, salpicon juice, sugar. Directions: cut the whole fruit in small pieces and put in a bowl. Make sure you mix well.
and the salpicon juice to the mix. And the salpicon juice to the mix.
Mix it softly and put a pinch of sugar and serve it. In the cups. In these cups.
We can enjoy it as dessert or as any other snack.
Very good.
Very good.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
So much. Thank you so much.
Thanks for attention.